Sunday morning, we gotta be on the road at the end of the week, and the engine bay, we were gonna paint it today, but there's still so much more prep work involved, and we don't got time for that, so I'm gonna start putting everything back together to put an engine into it. Hopefully it looks better than it did before. So much for a street car.
Yeah, you're running 10.4, 11, everything else is the same.
Morning at the track, and it's not morning anymore. It's probably like 2 or 3 o'clock. No, not 2, 3 o'clock. It's probably 3 or 4. We went through our first set of tires. Mark finished them off, cooked them, and yeah, it's pretty fun here. Track's very fun, a lot of transitions, which we both enjoy. Time to throw on some different tires. I'm kind of testing tires today. These were very affordable in today's market, and so far I can't complain about them. They're Haida, some Haida tires, and they're very slick for low. Like if you have a low-powered car, I think this is a great tire, and they were like under 60 bucks a pop. The other two I'm gonna try is Westlakes and Crosswinds. They're like 50 bucks more than these ones.
I haven't filmed too much too. Ruvim's been diving in the car.
And it doesn't look good. Shut it off. We are leaking oil from the turbo. Everything feels tight. Oh yeah. Mark,
that wasn't me, bro. You didn't bolt it down. I think they're still aftermath. I think they're still aftermath, bro.
huh?
I think there's, yeah, you can still see on that door.
Yeah. Fire freaking extinguisher. Back here. Oh.
You had a fire extinguisher, bro.
Camera compared to before. So he's gonna have
Okay, live, yeah.
This is the oil restrictor for my turbo, and this cone is supposed to go like consistent at whatever 45 or whatever degree it's at. Shiny flat spot you see at the bottom, that's what's happening. I over torqued it and it created that. It gouged that, so it warped this outside cone, and now my only sealing surface is that flat part that I torqued against, and it doesn't seal. So I'm gonna try to get a drill bit that's just big enough there, and drill it down a little bit so it's not a flat spot, and then torque it and try not to over torque it. I'll see if that fixes it or not. Might be done for the day, boys.
Unfortunately, not everyone can make it, but thankfully a good group of my friends
that I've met throughout the years of drifting were able to kind of gather and drive and watch me work on my car and have a good time. So appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Going on one fight. Yev driver. I sitting next to. Listen, I sitting next to Yev, and Yev told, look on this guy. Look, it's going racing on Marine Drive. Listen, it's 60 miles from. I told, how you know? Listen how drive it. Listen, it's visible.
Yeah, totally talk smack behind your back while you're gone.